Let's catch him, bro. Let's catch him, bro. Dude, right here. Hot spot. Hot spot. We got the hot spot, bro. Oh, yeah. Big ass. We're heading out to go to Devil's Lake in North Dakota. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have been there before. I haven't, and I'm really looking forward to this trip. Heard of a lot of amazing stories, a lot of legendary stories about people catching fish, especially these big white bass. Oh, a deer. Oh, Devil's Lake is roughly about 11 hours more or less from the greater Milwaukee area. From the Twin Cities in Minnesota, it's probably roughly about 6 hours drive. We're gonna be heading out in a bit, and we're gonna be using my brother-in-law's RV. Already all rigged up, so we're good to go. All right, the rain's starting to pick up a little bit, so I'm gonna turn this off. Hopefully we limit out, and if we don't, it's okay. It's all about creating the memories. See you in North Dakota. All right, we made it here in North Dakota. We got some baits, actually pretty late already. Go to Ed's bait shop here, get some minnows, probably call it a night, go to the campsite, get some rest, and then get some fishing done tomorrow. So just got to our camp spot here, Graham's Island. Get some fire started here, and then do some steak.
Fit here if we put this here, you know.
Since we didn't catch any fish, we out here grilling some steak.
Steak for the win, man.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Steak
Our
right
meal.
there.
Friday night meal.
I know.
And some nice ribeye steak.
Yep. We made it here.
Made it to camp. Got the campfire going.
Yep.
Got
here.
beer.
IP.
Yep, IPA right here.
Sure.
Kind of dark, can't see, can't focus, but it's okay. And hopefully you catch some fish tomorrow.
I know. Cheers.
Cheers, bro. To a better day tomorrow.
Better day, man.
We only got like, what, 1 hour of fishing? We didn't catch anything. It's okay. We're gonna limit it tomorrow, man. Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Good morning, Saturday. Oh, it's a foggy day today. It's not a bad campsite here. This is Graham's Island. Campsites are pretty spaced out. It looks pretty nice. The lake's right down this way. It's too foggy right now. Can't see it. But yeah, we'll see. Had some nice rest last night, so we'll see if we catch any fish today. True. I think my weight's too heavy. Rookie. Baby, there we go. Got him. Right there, baby. No skunk. Got one. Nice. Don't lose it. You got too much drag. Pull it in. All right, baby. There we go. Oh, nice. All right.
Good size too.
Yeah, good size. All right, new spot. Got one. I got one. Yep. Got one. A small one. Small one, huh? We'll deep fry this one tonight. All right. 2. Oh yeah, baby. Got one. Oh, I can tell it's small one.
Just like this.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. All right. At least getting some action though. That's the spot right there. That's the spot right there, baby.
The one?
Yep. All right here, man. Oh, that's little one. We're catching some. I got lucky, man, but that's all we got so far. These tiny ones.
That.
Right
That's
here.
fish right there.
Right here. Tiny.
Baby fish.
Baby fish, but still, man. Still better than nothing, dude. These are good for pan fry.
Look at that one.
Oh yeah, that's the good one. That's the one that we caught on this side over here.
I know.
That's the ones we were looking for. These two right here. I caught one. Jens, I caught one. And then got a bunch of babies.
Yo, small one tonight.
Yeah, we'll cook them up. Waves are coming in. The waves are coming in. It's getting windy now. You think so? I mean, right now it's picking up, so it shouldn't be biting right now then. Oh, you want wind? Here's the wind. Oh, hail, dude. Hey, it's hail. Gotta go. Gotta go. Oh, this fucking hurt. We were asking for bad weather. We jinxed ourselves. Oh shit. And we got like, we wish for too much, man. We got rain, hail, thunderstorm. Now everybody left. Everybody left. Nobody's fishing. Actually, there's a couple cars still up there. All cars still right there. But we're gonna about head out to a different spot.
Not over.
It's not over yet. It's not dark yet. That one. Yeah. Huh? I can feel him here, bro. Yeah, I can feel him. Yeah. Oh, I had it. Yeah. Cái nuôi của tao bao chiều từ mấy ai cả kìa. Then hopefully tomorrow we can get some big ones back in the same spot. Wow. It's still here, but it's tiny. I'll take whatever right now, man. Right now we're desperate. No need for big picky ones. Just tiny ones right here. Good for deep frying anyways. All right, let's get another one right now. I want to get all while the action's hot. Oh yeah, got one, baby. Got one, dude. I called it. Nice, man. All right, let's go. Let's keep it going. Got one, baby. Oh yeah, dude. Catching that, dude. Oh, it's looking good, man. Looking good. All right, let's take a look. That's what we got so far. It's starting to look good, man. It's starting to be promising. Oh, it's right here, bro. 这个好像. Yeah, 这个好像. Yeah, very close. I know exactly where the school is. I'm gonna catch you one right now. Bro, it's right here, man. The school's right here. Dakota, look. Look. Dakota. Dakota, Dakota. Shit, nó lụt there. Dakota. Ui ta Dakota đấy. Shit. Nó lụt there. Cho nó cho cái hao. Damn, that's what I'm talking about.
Nice one, man.
Right there. 오, 저 싸 bất động rồi sao? Hả? Ủa, chỉ 싸 bất động rồi sao?
Oh, lại à?
I got the come here, you know, in the front there. In the front, not the front one, but the one, yeah, right there. The back. Yep. Decent size, bro.
That's good size, man. Killing
Yeah.
it.
Dude, we're getting good ones now.
Yep.
The good ones are coming in.
Shit.
Oh, these are the big ones, bro.
It's getting stuck.
All right, we're driving back. I'm happy. I'm satisfied today. It was a good. It was a good day, man. It was a good day. I mean, you know, a mixture of some big ones, mostly small ones, but you know, we'll take whatever we can get.
Oh yeah.
This is what night fishing looks like.
Yep.
Pitch black out here in Devil's Lake. Oh, yeah, the waves are really strong. Alright.
That's what we want.
Alright, last day here. We're gonna try it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna try our best. We'll see.
See what happens.
Yeah, it looks more.
Yeah, it looks promising today, actually.
Kind of what we saved today.
Yeah, the waves are. Yeah, that looks just like yesterday.
Stronger.
Yeah, but stronger a little bit.
Stronger than
so,
yesterday. So
right there, it should be good, hopefully. Hey, right here. That's the spot. Got one. They move this way. Oh yeah, it's a good one. That's definitely a good one. Oh shit. Oh, I gotta go down there. Whoa, that's a big one. Whoa. Stay still. Oh, yeah. Stay still. Oh, God. Ooh, good deal. Got him, bro. Got him. Come on, baby. Can't lose this one. Oh, yeah. They're right here, bro. Right here. Told you. The school's right there. I'm not kidding you, man. Let's catch him, bro. Dude, right here. Hot spot. Hot spot. We got the hot spot, bro. Oh, yeah. Big ass. What? We got him, bro. Yeah! Woo! Oh, shit. I'm not kidding you, man. Still there. Still there. They're still there, bro. Oh yeah, they're still there. Oh, I found them, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, they're still there. They're still there. Oh yeah. Alright, we're at the gas station filling up and about to head home very soon. My overall impression of North Dakota, yeah, definitely exceeded my expectations. You know, I wish we would have found a lot more hotter spots. Overall, you know, the fish was pretty tough this weekend. We talked to a bunch of folks and everybody said the same thing. It was quite a grind. I think we did pretty good. I'm happy. We're about to head home right now. For Ian's right here.
What's up? Vlogging, huh?
Ready? Yep.
Yep, ready.
Yep, we're about to head home. Grab some energy drink, some food, and then head back right now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was fun making it. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.